Hey there foodies, welcome back to the channel, your ultimate guide to making the most of your Uber Eats experience. Got a Dunkin gift card and want to use it for your next order? Today I'm going to show you how to add your Dunkin gift card to your Uber Eats account. Let's get started. First, open Uber Eats in your favorite web browser. If you are not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you are logged in, click on the three lines and go to Wallet to show your payment methods. In Wallet section, click on Add Payment Method and then select Gift Card. Enter your Dunkin gift card information including the card number and PIN. Make sure all the details are correct. After entering your details, click Add Card or Apply. Your Dunkin gift card information is now securely stored and you are ready to use it for your next Uber Eats order. And that's it. Adding your Dunkin gift card to Uber Eats is quick and easy. Now you can enjoy your favorite Dunkin treats delivered right to your door. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tips and tricks. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy eating!